Oh hey, I was gonna talk about my clamping table, but they're doing some excavating, so it's a little loud. Instead, I'm just gonna build stuff.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Today we're building a fireplace, chimney. I don't really know what we're building, to be honest, but we're basically adding an addition to go all the way up to the ceiling. I've already taken down the TV, but now it's time to make a mess.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by.
Okay, so the plan for this is to build some supports against the wall and then have that bump out tie in so that it's supported against these braces that are going to be up against the wall there. And then the wall will come out and then we're going to add some shiplap to it. So it'll sit here and then we'll get a nice big fat mantle and that'll run across all the way like that. And then once it gets up to the top, we'll add some crown molding up there. Now code says we need to have at least 6 inches from the top to where our wood starts, and seeing as how that was basically MDF, I think we should be okay, but I'm gonna check anyways. We're at 10.5 inches, should be plenty. For this project, we're going to be using this primed MDF shiplap. It's got this tongue right here, and then it's got this, where is it? Groove on the back right here, or tongue and groove. Yeah, that's what it's called. When you stack it up like this, you just take that, put it on top there, and you don't have to think about anything or worry about any spacing. The reason why I like using this is because it has this line right in here, and that references where to shoot your brad nail. So when this goes on top, it covers up that brad nail hole and you don't have to fill anything. So.
Made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
It's quite pungent.
Oh, yeah.
It stings the nostrils. In a good way.
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
It is another hot day outside today, so I'm just installing this shiplap here. This is hard maple shiplap that we've stained gray to make it look like barn board for this wall right here, but just gonna install this and then I'll show you where we finished up yesterday with the shiplap. So I definitely made a little bit of a mistake on my coping measurement there, but well, that's a future mark problem. Here's how we made out yesterday on that chimney shiplap, whatever it's called. Ta-da! It's done, kind of. Actually, not even close. Here's where we're at. I've cut down the mantelpiece here, added in the corners, so that's looking really good, and then installed the crown molding there. The only thing that we'll have to do, this isn't attached yet, I still want to finish up this side. It had a bit of a bow in it, so we had to flip it over, and now I'm gonna have to finish this up, and I'm also gonna have to notch this out so that it hides underneath this corner piece, and then we can move the whole thing backwards. But yeah, not too bad. All in all, I'm happy with it. And I think that's pretty much it for this episode. So stay tuned next week. Maybe we'll finish the mantle. Maybe we won't. I don't know yet. But I'll see you there.